Now, if gloss isn't your thing, Matte PPF might be for you. Now, to get this outcome, we take a vehicle that normally is gloss and apply matte paint protection film onto all of the surfaces, which gives us this deep, rich satin look. That's also paint protection film, right? So it changes the look of the vehicle, but it's also protecting the vehicle. That car looks amazing in the sun, right? Now, like I said, Dr. Swirl Killer is usually a gloss guy, but man, that color with matte PPF looks amazing. Now, matte PPF isn't for everybody. It's definitely an investment because it's a more expensive film and it's a more intensive install than even just a full body gloss PPF install. But if you really want to stand out, that is a service you might want to look at. Or if you've bought a OEM finish, that is that, like BMW frozen paint or the Mercedes factory satin, the BMW factory matte paints, those are definitely finishes. If you bought, you would want to do this type of service as well, because OEM matte paint cannot be buffed. You can't touch it up. So putting protection on that is vital if you want to beautify and protect your ride and make it easy to clean, because that's what we really want, right? Reach out. You know who to call.